The United States is averaging more than 100,000 new COVID-19 cases daily for the first time since February. The last time the 7-day average of COVID-19 cases surpassed 100,000 was on February 11th, according to data from Johns Hopkins University. The current surge, driven by the spread of the highly contagious Delta variant, was largely among the country's unvaccinated population. According to the CDC, as of last Friday, 50% of the U.S. population, about 165.9 million people, had been fully vaccinated against the virus. 58.4% of all Americans have received at least one dose. U.S. top infectious disease expert Anthony Fauci has warned COVID-19 cases may double to 200,000 a day in the fall unless a large portion of unvaccinated Americans get the shots.